In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Beehiiv Support. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. Whether you're a creator looking to leverage the powerful tools Beehiiv offers, or a user enjoying the platform for its unique features, it's important to know how to get in touch with support when you need assistance. Having a reliable point of contact can make a significant difference in your experience, and I'm here to guide you through how to do just that. First things first, if you encounter any issues with your account or have questions about your subscription, the first place to go is the Beehiiv website. Once you're there, take a moment to scroll to the bottom of the homepage. You'll notice a section that's often labeled Help or Support. This is your gateway to finding the solutions you need. When you click on this section, you will likely be brought to a support page filled with a wealth of resources. This area is usually packed with FAQs that cover a variety of common topics. If your question is something along the lines of account settings, subscription changes, or platform features, there's a solid chance that the answer might just be a click away. Take your time to browse through these topics. It could save you a lot of back and forth later. However, if after exploring the FAQs you still can't find the answer to your question, don't worry. Beehiiv makes it easy to get in touch with their support team directly. Look for a button or link that says something like Contact Us or Submit a Request. Once you find it, go ahead and click. This will lead you to a contact form. Here's where you can give the support team some information about your issue. Be as detailed as possible. Include your account information, describe the problem you're facing, and, if applicable, mention any troubleshooting steps you've already tried. This information can really help them assist you more swiftly, ensuring your issue is addressed effectively. After submitting your information, all you need to do is sit back and wait for a response. Typically, support teams strive to get back to you within a reasonable time frame. However, depending on the volume of requests they receive, it might take a little longer sometimes. Just hang tight and remember that they're doing their best to help you out. Now, if you prefer a more immediate form of support, some platforms offer live chat features. If Beehiiv has this, you might find a chat widget popping up in the bottom corner of your screen. This is a fantastic option if you want to have a conversation in real time and get your questions answered quickly. Just click on the chat box, and you'll be connected with someone who can assist you right away. Lastly, let's not forget about social media. Many companies today have a presence on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. You might want to check if Beehiiv is active on these social channels. Sometimes, reaching out through a direct message or even tagging them in a post can get you the attention you need, especially for urgent matters. In summary, whether you start from the help page, fill out a contact form, utilize live chat, or reach out via social media, Beehiiv provides several avenues for you to connect with their support team. So, the next time you find yourself needing assistance, you'll know exactly what steps to take. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you found this information useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. This way,